Okay, so yesterday we had this bearish outside day. Did not close through, yet was still very potent, very powerfully bearish as we closed through this daily gap here that was open from way back here on October 20th. That closed through, and we had that continuation selling to the downside today, closing pretty strong to the downside as well. Pretty choppy price action throughout the course of the day today. I think the ATR on a 10-minute candle got cranked up to about 18 points per 10-minute candle. So that just tells you a little bit of the speed behind the day. So we still have that continuation selling. The bears are still in control pretty convincingly still throughout the day. So let's take it from the top here. You can see that even on the daily, we have closed through that passive trend stream yesterday, that aggressive selling to the downside. Let's go to the hourly chart here, and let's take a little look at the internals here. So coming into the day's session, we had the Asian session sell-off, London session opening pop-up, and then that sell-off carrying on and continuing on to the downside as this overnight high right through here held up and did not get broken through. We had that opening run to the downside was pretty rough, pretty harsh to the downside, tagging target 2 nearly to the tick, that 65.95, before it bounced back to the upside. We saw a little trace of some bulls in here making their presence known around that 10 o'clock hour rotation. There was, before that all took place, let's go to the 10-minute here. I'll show you what I was looking at here. So as I mentioned in my video this morning, if prices just go screaming off the open to the downside, going to have to do it without me. Caught this little retrace back through here about that 9:20-ish, before 9:30. We came back tagging up through here, and this is that broken down on a 2-minute order flow chart. So you can see price just come screaming down here. No entry to be really had throughout this whole entire movement down here. Then we start to build a little bit of a base. We pop back up to retest that bearish below level at 66.35, and we stalled out, ran out of buyers up in here. You can see the smaller numbers up here. You can see prices failing one, two, three, 4 times close of this bar, this doji bar here at the POC up at the top. Went ahead, took a shot at this thing at the low, rallied it. This thing tagged on the way down and broke all the way down, about a 14-point run here to 66.15. This one actually could have held this one as it went down and tagged that target 2, but did not find another entry like that throughout the course of the day. So that was my run to the downside. Heading into tomorrow, so let's focus on the weekly here. Let's go to the weekly chart here for just a second, and I'm going to throw on the clouds here. Okay, so now today kind of notches in that we are now pushing to the downside, getting a little bit of that body of the week. I know we're only 2 days into the week, so this can all get erased, but we are now pushing to the downside of this aggressive bullish market trend stream to the upside. We already broke through this consolidation, or this not consolidation, but this bullish trend channel here. You can see that downside going all the way back. So things are starting to get pretty ugly to the downside here. Next swing point up is going to be this prior week low from a few weeks ago, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks ago now, and then that's 6 weeks ago. So if we start tagging down through here, I wouldn't be surprised if we come down and hit it. If we start closing through, that the week closes through there, things are going to get awfully, or have the possibility to get awfully ugly as we move.
Hey everyone, it's Dale here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like to trade alongside me and our team of prop firm funded traders every day, then click the link below the video and hop aboard. We are looking forward to trading with you.